In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an admin onto your LinkedIn business page. So the first thing we need to do is make sure we have a business page set up on LinkedIn. Now, if you don't already have one of these, you can click on For Business in the top navigation, scroll down to the bottom and select Create a Company Page, and then you'll just need to go through the steps on the screen to go and create a page for your business. Now, once you do have a page set up, we can click on Me in the top navigation, and underneath Manage, you're going to be able to see all of the pages that you have set up. So from here, just go and select the page that you've already created, and that's going to take you over to your business page. Now, obviously, a business page is different from your own personal profile. And once you're on your business page, we can scroll down to the bottom and click on Settings. Then select Manage Admins, and then click on the blue Add Admin button. Now, all you need to do is go and search for the person that you want to add to your business page. So for example, I'm going to add this user here. Go and assign a role to this user. So if you want this person full access to your page, make sure to select Super Admin, and then just go and press Save. Now, once you've done this person will receive an invitation via email, and they'll just need to go and accept that invitation, and they'll have now full access to your LinkedIn page. If you ever want to remove this user as an admin, you can always click on the trash icon and click on Remove. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.